Welcome to a special edition of Step Out Inspirational Wisdom for today. And this is Oscar Bimpong, always in the driving seat, taking you to your destination of success. Today, I'm going to really talk about your purpose. But this is going to be based on a quote about myself that I really posted some years back. And it just dawned on me, and I just chanced on it on the internet. And I want to use it for today's message. And it goes like this: your purpose in life goes beyond 9 to 5 p.m. and obviously beyond your pension age. Identify, pursue, and nurture until it becomes a lifestyle. All of us were born with a particular purpose. The problem is that many of us have not been able to identify our God given purpose on earth. Many people in life cannot answer the question, why am I here on earth for? If you cannot answer this question, it means that you have not been able to identify your purpose in life. Now, I just want you to get this thing clear. A lot of people think their job is their purpose. Some also think that whatever they are doing is their purpose. Now, your job can be your purpose, but this is my definition of purpose. I want you to understand that anything, anybody that works 9 to 5, and after 5 p.m., they close every docket about what they do, waiting for the next day to go back to work for the cycle to continue. That job is not your purpose. Meaning that your purpose in life goes beyond 9 to 5 p.m. Also, anybody that in their mind, they are waiting for somebody to retire them. That is, for example, after 60 years, they are just going to stop what they are doing and they are going to go back to their shell and relax in life till they die. That thing that you are pursuing, waiting for you to be pensioned, that is not your purpose in life. Your purpose in life goes beyond your pension age. Meaning that if in your mind, or if whatever you are pursuing, that is documented within your 9 to 5, and after that nothing happens in your life, and also you are thinking that at a particular age you are going to be pensioned, that obviously that you are pursuing is not your purpose. Your purpose in life goes beyond your 9 to 5 p.m. and also your pension age. Now, this is my Christmas gift for you. I want you to identify your purpose in life. Go out there and identify your purpose in life. Next time, I'll come and talk about how you can identify your purpose. But you need to start working on your purpose in life. Your purpose in life is what can make life easier for you. Many people are struggling in life not because they don't have the right skills, or they don't have the resources, or they don't have people that are supporting them. That is why they are not able to succeed, but it's just because of one thing. They have not been able to identify their purpose. Identify your purpose in life makes life easier for you. It means that it is what you are born to do on earth. And it comes with its own passion. It comes with its own drive. It comes with its own way of you accumulating resources. Look, it is not an easier path, but it is because it is your God-given purpose. It comes with its own way of help. I want you to understand that until you identify your purpose in life, life will continue to be a struggle. 2021, I want to encourage you to go on a mission to identify your purpose in life. You might be a medical doctor, but probably your purpose is to open that restaurant. You might be a lawyer, but probably your purpose is to open an orphanage. You need to identify your purpose in life. And if you are able to do that, life is going to be easier for you. This is my Christmas gift for you. I want you to understand that 2020 has been a challenging year, but never neglect your purpose just because of the challenges you face in life. Continue to pursue your purpose against all the challenges that comes along. And trust me, you'll be the winner at the end. Those people that are waiting at that coronavirus, for example, should go away for them to pursue their purpose, I want to assure them that when coronavirus is away, another one will come. So it's about you managing your challenges and still focusing on your purpose in life. Merry Christmas to everyone. Have a joyful day. Just relax and have fun, but be focused about the future. Identify your purpose and work towards your God-given purpose in life. Have a blessed Christmas. 2020 is almost gone. 2021 we will overcome. Stay blessed, and I will come back once again with Step Out Inspirational Wisdom for today. God bless all. Bye-bye.